Now, the next one is the beginning of a longer term story, but there's two already very useful versions of it, which are content detectors. So this is a kind of new, fully automated super function of machine learning to go with things like predict and classify that try to do essentially everything for you if you give it the training data. And they're all about sub-contents recognition. So in this toy example here, I'm taking a phrase, but I'm telling it the characters 8 through to 13 represent a fruit. So this word is a fruit, but it's a fruit in the context of this sentence. And I can give it a set of those things, and let's do this one live. I will run the trainer because it's a tiny amount of data. We get a content detector function that we can now apply, in this case, the text that it hasn't seen, and it's able to pick out things it sees within the text. So for a long time, we've had these entity detectors where I can say, here's a piece of text, tell me all of the chemical elements that are mentioned in the text, or all of the cities that are mentioned. You can now build your own content detectors like that can teach it, tell me about medical conditions that are mentioned in this text, and have it figure out which phrases are the important ones to extract out from all of the noise. The other one that we have, which is a little bit expensive to run, so I won't do this live, but it's exactly the same concept, but in the image space, is you give an image and you give a region that you declare what that contents of that region is. In this case, there's two regions simultaneously in the same picture. There were two apples within this image, and this one has one strawberry within it. And then you can give unseen images, and you can detect which subparts of the image are the entities that you're looking for. So while you could do this kind of behavior if you rolled up your sleeves and knew how to use the neural network framework, we now have this as essentially a one-stop function. Just give it the data correctly marked up and let it think, and everything else is done for you.